Hello and welcome to another process video. Today I will be creating a mixed media style tag and I'm inspired by my tarot oracle spread for the day as well as my friend Nuneka's tag live class that she conducted on the LINDY'S channel. I would be linking her original video tutorial below for you to have a look, and the process that I have followed is basically the same as what she's shown. So I wouldn't be going too much into talking about the mixed media steps of creating the tag, and you could just check that out in the original video. Let me begin with talking a little about the spread and my interpretation of it as well as the tag that I create today. So the cards of the day are Page of Pentacles, which is from the Way of the Panda Tarot, Pace, which is from my own oracle, the Crystal Sea Oracle, and Supermoon from the Moonology deck. Now to me these cards are extremely significant, especially in today's times, as well as in my personal life. They speak to me about taking a check at where I am at. Realizing that a lot of effort has been already put into and dreams are being manifested, and now is the time to just analyze and take a look at my pace. Am I being too slow or am I being too fast? It's a time to take a check at my emotions, to feel them, to live them and embrace them. It's also a gentle reminder that no matter what my pace might be, progress made still counts. I have generally become slowed over the past couple of months owing to my physical health and condition. And it's been a challenge to embrace this sort of a pace. But the true power comes when you begin embracing it, accepting it, and then moving around it. So for me, it's a reminder that yes, I might have slowed down. Yes, I may not be able to do things as I was earlier. However, I still am progressing. I still am moving ahead. I might be taking baby steps, but they're still considered as steps. So as I continue to work and string my dreams and weave around them and live in these emotions, I'm going to continue to put in the effort required. This applies to the global situation today as well, where suddenly everything has come to standstill. With being in self-quarantine, people are really finding it difficult, this slower pace of life. But I'd just like to remind everybody that let's embrace it. We've been given an opportunity by the earth, by the universe, to slow down, to take a check at where we are at in our journeys, to see how we behave, to actually take a check at our heart space, to open our hearts to receiving and giving love, to again connecting with humans as we initially were supposed to. In this rat race of life, in just running around and doing what we are required to, I think sometimes we lose this feeling of connecting with ourselves as well as connecting with people around us. So indeed, we've been given this opportunity. It's a lesson that we all need to learn, to analyze, to take a check at where we all are, to acknowledge and respect one another, and to support and be there emotionally, especially now during social distancing. So with these thoughts in mind, I decided to create this tag. So of course, for my colors, I'm inspired by the black and the purple. And as far as the process goes, I'm just sticking to what Nuneka shares in her video. Of course, I'm replacing it with the elements that are available to me. And I chose to title my tag Trust in Yourself. And I stuck to using the butterfly as a symbolism because I think a butterfly very well depicts the importance of pace, the importance of patience and trusting in yourself. I hope you enjoy today's video and do subscribe for more such process videos, as well as check out the playlist heartfelt conversations on the channel for some podcast episodes where I share personal stories. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and bye bye.